Hi everyone, welcome to Programming with Rakesh. Today we are diving into a super important concept in programming, that is API. So what is an API? If you are a beginner or preparing for a code interview, this video could be for you. I will explain API in the simplest way possible using a real world analogy. So stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more programming tips. Okay, so let's imagine you are at a restaurant. You are the customer and you want to order a food, maybe chole bhature. The kitchen is where the food is made, but you cannot go directly into the kitchen and ask them to prepare the food. So instead, what you do, you ask the waiter, "Hey, waiter, I would like to have a chole bhature, a dosa, whatever you want, a, a tea, a cup of coffee." So you tell these things to waiter, and the waiter goes to kitchen, tells the chef, and brings you back the chole bhature or dosa or tea or coffee, whatever you wanted. So here, if you see, you are the program or the app, okay, like a website. And the kitchen is another system or service like a database or another application, and the waiter is the API who communicates between you, the website, and the other website or other application or the other service. So, an API or application programming interface is like a waiter that helps two systems to connect with each other. It takes your request, gets the data or action that you want from another system, and brings the result back to you without you knowing how the other system is preparing the data. Okay, now let's see a real world example. Imagine you are using a weather application on your phone. You open the application and see today's temperature. But does the weather application itself know the temperature? No, it uses an API to talk to a weather service like Open Weather Map. The app sends the request to the API saying, "Hey, what's the temperature in New Delhi right now?" The API goes back to the weather service, gets the data, and say 33 degrees Celsius and sends it back to the application. And now you will see, oh, the temperature of Delhi is 33 degrees Celsius. Oh, it's too hot. So that's the magic of API, application programming interface. Okay, let's recap now. So an API is just like a waiter that helps two systems communicate. Your application sends a request through API. The API talks to another system and brings it back the data that you are looking for. It's that simple. Whether you are building an application or preparing for interview, understanding API is the key. That's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Share with your programmer friends. In the next video, if you want, I will explain how to create API and use in your applications. So let's catch in the next video. Till then, bye bye.